the sons, brothers, fathers, uncles, and husbands. And every now and then I might do a cousin. I'm in the factory, yeah, I want a 645. Bitches in the hood with the bitches fly. Got cutting my face and I'm still a dime. Had a nigga on the road and I'm getting high. Wine, dime, bomb, I did just had it like boy. And my shit stayed wet. How much you wanna bet? I'm as good as they get. They say I'm fucked up because I rap fucked up. And rap is not walk with your fam. Cause when I spit sick and when I spit sick, all they mom shut the fuck down. Tip my whole team whack and
Yo, she know my music. What you mean?
Back, but I'm like, fuck you. I'm a cheap bitch, nigga. You can believe that.
That's a nigga just as a
Real wild, nigga.
Shit, selling tickets, advertising.
Niggas in the hood call me Brainiac. When I fuck a nigga, they call me Maniac.
Chill. Chills. Since that word, but you views with
Alright. World saw that. They missed it. That's going on World Star. Y'all missed it. I just got on, but I was recording it.
That's a girl.
You don't see that Adam's apple from here? You don't see that big Adam's apple? You don't see that big long? You don't see that?
That is crazy.
She spent money. He spent a little money.
Yeah.
Try to get fly, I heard you suck cock good, you suck clock good. Go to my
You got an
hood,
iPhone.
go to your hood.
Oh, you videotaping this?
Hell yeah.
Let me see your phone. I'll go close.
He said, I'll go close to it. Words sounded like words.
I was already like this. Before y'all came, I was like this, and her face like the body, everything.
True.
Yo,
I'm not lying.
the cops need to be in here and take his ass off for this train.
No shame, that's crazy.
That's a Jewish transvestite. Look at that nose.
You ain't
That go against everything I heard all my life. Yo, let her walk down Eastern Parkway. They gonna mob on her. Let she walk down Ocean Ave or some shit. Let them Jews see her.
Showing love to the trippers, time for no flippers, staying zone. Can't be a bitch if you ain't got a throne.
Bro,
I ain't knocking but nobody's home.
Yeah, she lives somewhere by me.
She live by you?
I'm in the fast lane.
I live by Bowie Junction.
Oh
man, I'm about to run as fast as possible.
I told Breezy to move my hands.
World star.
Yo, you taping it, right?
I've been taping since I got on.
You gonna put it where?
On
Let
World
me show you my
YouTube.
video real quick.
She said, I've been taking this.
I probably can do that on my phone too, but I don't know how to do it.